Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salishan Mao here. Looking for ready to fly beginner friendly RC airplane? Well, you have got it. This is XK A800 mini electric RC glider with built-in stabilization system. It comes ready to fly in a box which has everything for you to get it ready to fly right outside the box. Inside the box you have a user manual, a USB dongle to charge your battery, a screwdriver and 3 screws, a spare propeller, a 2.4 GHz radio control, and of course a beautiful mini electric RC glider with a built-in stabilization system. To get it ready, just join 2 wings, connect the connectors for aileron servos, put in 2 screws, add the elevator and rudder, add 1 screw down here, connect the connecting rods, insert the battery, connect the battery, turn the radio on, and you're good for your very first flight. Once the plane is ready, connect the battery, turn the radio on. Okay, check elevator working right, ailerons working, and rudder works. Make sure everything works in the right direction. Clear your hands from the motor and check. Motor works. Awesome. You're ready to fly, and you can see the plane is already in stabilized mode. You can hear the servos are stabilizing. You can hear all the surfaces are countering the angles. All right, so install, and here we go. You can change the dual rates on the radio using this button, and 3G, 6G mode, this button, so that you can actually perform some aerobatics as well. Here we go for the very first flight. Look where the winds are coming from. Start the motor, throw it, and look at it. It's just hands-free. Can you see? All you need to do is control, just like this. Either with ailerons make turns, or with rudders you can make turns. Oh my God, this thing is absolutely on a different level of stabilization here. See how easy it is to control. I mean, look at that. You're watching it. It's just like that, hands-free. I can still set some trims so it doesn't go right all the time. It has fine-tuning trims, either with rudder or with ailerons. It just turns really beautiful. Look at it. I mean, really, this is just like throw and forget kind of thing. It's quiet, and it's, oh my God, this stabilization is from another world. Check this out. I mean, all I need to do now is just steer it around. Just steer it around, nothing else. Look people. This is a perfect RC glider for beginners. Oh my God. I mean, if you are stepping up with, if you're stepping up from 2-channel or 3-channel mini RC planes with the stabilization, and you want something with 4-channel capabilities, you are looking at it. This is absolutely the 200% beginner friendly, kids friendly RC airplane. I am having absolutely 200% fun flying this thing. I mean, check this out. You can even fly it extremely slow. I wish there were winds. If there were winds, I could actually hover it. I could actually glide it. And with its gliding performance, you can spend all day long flying it around over ridges or thermals or places where you have windy days. And look how beautiful it makes sharp and nice turns without actually getting into abrupt movements. Sweet. All right, let's see this. I'm changing the more docile mode now, which says the size of the rudder in the user manual, but actually it's a dual rates. So now I have lower dual rates and it's actually more docile, more easy to control because the throws are little now. So that you can see the turns it's making are kind of longer or more radius turns. So what do you need to do to land a plane this stable? Well, line it up for your landing and reduce the throttle. That's all you need to do. So I am going to make my approach from my left. Today there are no winds at all. Make your approach, and when you want to land, just cut down the throttle and let it glide slowly. The propeller is folding, so as soon as it hits the ground, the propeller will simply fold back and will not get damaged. This is absolutely a beautiful flyer, super easy to control. Well, I'm not done yet. Let me fly more, hold on. This is really, it can be addicting. You know what I'm talking about, because once you know, you can actually fly an RC plane on your very first day, and not only fly it but steer it around successfully. You are going to get hooked with that. I wish there were more winds today. I could actually get into gliding with A800 right here. It would have been real fun to see how it glides. But hey, don't worry, the plane is here. We can always wait for a windy day and see how it glides. I can actually climb up a bit and reduce the throttle completely to 0. All right, right there, see? Throttle is 0. And with a little bit of pitch up, say it's gliding very well. It doesn't actually stall. And you know why it doesn't stall? It's because of that amazing stabilization system right in there. I can fly figure eight all day long. (3D mode), and I will pull a loop. Beautiful loop. And in 3D mode, you can actually do more agile turns. You can do much more agile turns in 3D mode. And as soon as you hit the 6G button, it goes into that outlandish stabilization mode where even a kid can actually fly this glider. This is absolutely a perfect 4-channel glider mini electric RC glider for beginners. And I'm flying for that long time. I still have good punch in it. That means it's extra efficient as well. When it comes to flight times, you can enjoy longest flight times on it even without winds. As you can see, I'm still having fun flying it around. And if I had winds, people, I could actually fly it for hours, hovering it around. We'll see that on a windy day and see how it performs. The thing I love about it is no matter how slow you're flying it, it doesn't get into stall. Awesome, man. I mean, this is really absolutely fun to fly RC glider. I wanted to land it in my hands, but because of the front prop, you don't want to do that unless you just turn the prop off. I have to make an approach in my hands and cut down the throttle probably right before it hits my hands. Well, I saw prop takes time to cut down, so you don't want to put your hands in it unless if you have somebody to run after it at slow speeds and pick it up. So what we're gonna do is make an absolutely beautiful landing. Go a bit farther, make a turn, line it up with your runway, reduce the throttle, cut down the throttle. That's it. What a beautiful and superb beginner's RC plane it is. Honestly, I'm in love the way it performs, the way it flies, and the way they have this outlandish stabilization system in this A800 that makes it a perfect, 100% perfect, beginner friendly and kids friendly mini electric RC glider. There you have it. As definitely a 4 thumbs up product right here. You can even install a mini FPV, micro FPV system, all-in-one FPV system. You can even do FPV flights on this, and that's what I'm gonna do next, because I have a portable battery charger right here in my car. I'm gonna charge the batteries, install an FPV system, and go fly it one more time.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.